Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. Hope you all are well and happy with your families and in touch with your books. Before going to start the class, as usually, here are some instructions which you have to follow. Okay, now look at your screen. Look at your screen. Here are instructions. Number one, keep your poem books with you. Okay, sing poem with you. Sing poem with me. Okay. Keep your video off. Use your headphone. Don't raise hand during the class. If you have any queries, ask at the end of the lesson through chat. Okay. Okay. Now your English class is going to be start. Okay. I am your English teacher. Okay. Dear students, your previous class was about words opposite. And today this is your English poem class. Dear students, do you know what's poem? What is poem? Okay, I will tell you. Okay, poem is a piece of writing in which the expression of feeling and ideas are given intensity by particular attention to diction, rhythm, and imagery. Okay, it is a collection of words that express emotion, ideas with a specific rhymes and action. We convey a message through poem. Okay, now look at your screen. Here is your poem. Look at your screen. Here your poem. Your poem is rain. Okay, this poem is rain. Your poem is rain. Look at your screen. Here is rain. Okay, now first I will sing the poem. You have to listen the poem very carefully. Okay, dear students, you have listened the poem very carefully, the words and the rhythm of the poems. Okay, okay. First I will sing. Okay, rain on the green grass and rain on the tree, rain on the housetop, but not on me. Once again we will sing. Rain on the green grass, and rain on the tree, rain on the housetop, but not on me. Once again I will sing. Okay, follow me. Rain on the green grass and rain on the tree, rain on the housetop, but not on me. Oh, dear students, this is your poem Rain. Now we will explain this poem line to line. Okay, your first line is, look here, look at your screen. The first line is rain on the green grass. What is the first line? Rain on the green grass. Yes, rain on the green grass. Look here. Okay, now look here student, here are grass. You can see the grass on at your screen. Okay, and you can see the raindrops are falling on the green grass. Okay, here are green grass and rain is falling on the green grass. Rain is falling on the green grass. Look here, it is looking very beautiful. Okay, it is raining on the green grass. These are grass. Okay, these are grass. Okay, look here, and these are drops of the rain. These are drops of the rain. So rain on the green grass. It means rain is falling on the green grass. Okay. Okay. Now the second line of your poem is, look at your screen. Okay. Second line of the poem is rain on the tree. Rain on the tree. You can see a tree here. Yes, here is a big tree with green leaves and a brown stem. Look here. Okay, now here is also rain falling on the tree. You can see the droplets of rain. Okay, you can see the droplets of rain. Okay, the rain is falling on the tree. Look here. Okay, these are droplets of rains and this is a tree. So rain on the tree. Rain is falling on the tree. Okay, now the third line of your poem is rain on the housetop. Okay, rain on the housetop. Look here. Oh, here is a beautiful house. Look here. Here is a beautiful house. Okay. Oh, yes, the rain is falling on the house. Okay, this is a house and this is the top of the house. House top. It is called house top. You can say a roof of the house. Okay. House top means the roof of the house. Okay. House top means roof of the house. Okay. Look here. Here is raining. Okay. Raining on the house top. Okay. You can see the droplets of rains. These are the droplets of rains, and this is a house. So rain on the house top. Okay, look here. Okay, but in the last line, but not on me. Okay, what is the line? But not on me. Okay, here is raining on the green grass, raining on the tree, raining on the house top, but not on me. Okay, you can see here. Here is a Yes, here is a boy. Okay, he is singing the poem. Okay, rain, poem rain, he is singing. In the last line, he is saying, the rain is not falling on me because I am using an umbrella. I have an umbrella. That's why I am safe. I am not wet. I am safe from rain. The rain is not falling on me because I have an umbrella. That's why I am safe. Okay. Look here, he has an umbrella. Okay, he has an umbrella, and that's why he is safe from the rain. He is not wet. Okay, now we will recite, we will sing the poem again. Rain on the green grass and rain on the tree. Rain on the housetop, but not on me. We will recite again. Rain on the green grass, rain on the tree, rain on the housetop, but not on me. Okay, student. Now here are some new words which we read. Okay, we will read these new words. Look at your screen. Okay. First one is rain. First one is rain. Okay, do you know what is rain? Yes, what is rain? Rain. Rain are the droplets of water. Rain are the droplets of water which fall from the sky, from the clouds. Okay. Okay. Number two. The second word is grass. Okay. Yes, grass. Grass are short plants with long narrow leaves. Grass are short plant with long narrow leaves. Okay, which we cultivated in the ground, which are grown in the ground. Okay, here is a word tree. Here is a word tree. It is a big plant. Okay, it is a kind of big plant. Okay, tree has green leaves and it has a stem. Okay, it has brown stem and also roots which are underground. Okay, now look here. Here is a word house top. Here is a word house top. House top means the roof of the house. The roof of the house. Okay. Umbrella. Yes, it is a new word umbrella. Okay, we use umbrella to protect from the rain. When it is rain, we use umbrella. Okay, so these days are rainy days. These days are rainy days. Okay, so whenever it rain, you should also use umbrella. Okay, when you are going outside from home. Okay, so use an umbrella. Okay, and one thing more, students. Okay, when it is raining, avoid to go near going to the electric poles and electric wires. Okay, and don't touch switchboards with wet hands because it gives us, this gives us shocks. These thing gives us shocks due to wet. Okay, so avoid going to near the poles, electric poles and electric wires, and also switchboards with wet hands. So avoid. Okay, it safe you know. Now look, students. Okay, look here. Your next poem is, okay, look at your screen. Okay, now look at here. Look at your screen. Okay. Look here. Who has an umbrella? Yes. Who has an umbrella? Yes. The girl has an umbrella. The girl has an umbrella. Who is using umbrella? The girl is using umbrella. Okay. Okay. Here is the rain falling. Do you know? Here is the rain falling. Yes, the rain is falling on the green grass, and the rain is also falling on the house top. Okay, and the rain is falling on the tree. Okay, who is safe from the rain? Who is safe from the rain? Who is safe? Yes, the girl is safe from the rain. Why she is safe? Why there is no falling on the girl? Because she has an umbrella. Okay, she is using umbrella. That's why she is safe. She is not bad. Okay, she is safe. She is enjoying the rain. Okay, so you should also use umbrella when it is raining. Okay. Okay, now student, you can see the droplets of here, droplets of rain here. Okay. 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 What is called house top? Do you know what is called house top? Yes, house top is also called the roof of the house. Yes, the roof of the house is called house top. Okay, so you can see here is a girl. She is singing a poem, Rain. Okay, the rain is falling on the green grass, the rain is falling on the tree, the rain is falling on the house top, but not falling on the girl because she has an umbrella. Okay, now we will sing the poem again. Okay, rain on the green grass, rain on the tree, rain on the house top, but not on me. Now, dear students, yes, your next poem is in your screen. Look at your screen. Yes, your next poem is, your second poem is, yes, Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. The name of the poem is Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Okay, first I will sing. You have to listen the poem. Okay. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha. Once again. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha. Once more, okay? Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha. Okay. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha. Okay, student, you can sing with me. Okay, follow me and sing with me. Okay. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha. Okay. Now look at your screen, beta. The second poem and the second line of your second poem is, first line of your poem is Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Okay, Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Okay, look at this picture. Here are two people. Okay, one is father and the other is his son. His son name is Johnny. The son name is Johnny. Okay. This poem is based on conversation between father and his son. Okay, the son is asking question to his. Okay, the father is asking question to Johnny, to his son. Okay, that is he is eating sugar. Okay, father is asking question, is he eating sugar? So the son refused and says, no, I am not eating sugar. No, I am not eating sugar. Okay. Okay. Yes. Look here. Look at your screen. Here's also Johnny and his father. Okay. The father is again asking question. Okay, the father is again asking question to Johnny. Is he eating sugar? So Johnny is saying, no, no, Papa, I am not eating sugar. Okay, okay. Now in the third line, look here, what the father is saying. Yes, in the third line, you can see. Okay, what the father is saying. Okay, the father is asking again question. Okay, is are you telling a lie? The father is asking question to Johnny. Are you telling a lie? Okay, so Johnny is saying, no, Papa, I am not telling a lie. I am not telling a lie. Okay, okay. No, Papa, I am not telling a lie. Okay. Then look here in the next line. In the next line, the father asked to Johnny to open the mouth. Okay, the father asked to Johnny to open the mouth. Okay, and the Johnny opened his mouth. Okay, look here. Here the Johnny opened his mouth. And here students, look at Johnny's mouth. Okay, look at Johnny's mouth. Okay, yes, here is a sugar in Johnny's mouth. Yes, here is a sugar in Johnny's mouth. Okay, it means Johnny is telling a lie. Okay, Johnny is not speaking truth. Okay, he is telling a lie. Okay, he is telling a lie to his father. Okay, but it is not good habit to telling a lie. It is bad habit. It is not good habit. Okay, okay, you should not tell a lie to your parents and anyone. Okay, it is not good habit. We always speak truth. Okay, we should not tell a lie. Okay, because due to telling a lie, our parents become hurt. Our parents become hurt. So we should not tell a lie in anywhere to anyone. Okay, so we will sing this poem again. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha. Once again, okay. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha. You can sing with me, okay. Follow me and sing with me. Okay, start. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha. Now look at this picture, okay? Okay, who is asking question to Johnny? Yes, who is asking question to Johnny? Yes, Johnny's father is asking questions to Johnny. Johnny's father is asking question to Johnny's. Okay. Johnny's father is asking question to Johnny. What he is asking? He is asking that Johnny is eating sugar or not. Okay. Okay. Look at Johnny's hand. Look at Johnny's hand. Okay. What he has in his hand? What Johnny's hand? What in Johnny's hand? Yes. Here is a spoon with sugar. Okay. Here is a spoon with sugar in Johnny's hands. Okay, Johnny is hiding the spoon. Okay, okay, he is telling a lie to his father. Okay, he is saying, no, I am not eating sugar. No, Papa, I am not eating sugar. Okay, okay, but he is eating sugar. Look here, here is a sugar jar and he has a spoon of sugar. Okay, so he is telling a lie. Okay, okay, now whose name is Johnny? Who is Johnny? Okay, this boy is Johnny. Who is Johnny? This boy is Johnny. Okay, now look at your screen, beta. We have some new words. Okay, we have some new words. Okay, look at your screen. Your first word is Johnny. Johnny is the name of the boy which is in this poem. Okay, Johnny is the name of the boy which is in this poem. Okay. The boy name is Johnny. Okay, now look here. Okay, eating. Okay, what is this? Eating. Like we eat meal, we eat fruit, we eat sweets, we eat different things. Okay, okay. Look here. Here is a word of sugar. Here is a word of sugar. Do you know what is sugar? Okay. Yes, sugar is a substance sweet substance, okay, which we obtain from different plant. Okay, sugar is a sweet substance which obtained from different plant. Okay, now look here, telling. Telling me saying something. Telling me saying. Okay, lie. Lie mean it is untrue statement. Like lie mean untrue statement. Okay, which is not true. Open. Open mean to open anything, like open your mouth. Okay, open. We say sometime your teacher say open your book, open your copy. So like open your mouth is also good. Okay, now mouth. Mouth. Look here. Mouth mean. Do you know what is the meaning of mouth? Okay, yes, it is a part of your face. Okay, it is a part of your face. Okay, we eat with our mouth, we speak with our mouth. Okay, we speak with our mouth, we speak with our mouth, we eat with our mouth. Okay, now we will sing again the poem. Okay, okay, yes. Look here. First poem we will sing. First poem is rain on the green grass and rain on the tree, rain on the housetop, but not on me. Rain on the green grass and rain on the tree, rain on the housetop, but not on me. Why the God is saying there is no raining on me? Because she has an umbrella. Okay, that's why there is no raining on the girl. Okay, the rain is not falling on the girl. Okay, now look here. Your second poem. Okay. Yes, look here. Yes, your second poem is Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. We will sing again, okay? Once more, we will sing. Okay, you have to follow me and sing with me. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha. Okay, this poem, your first poem is according to rain. Okay, look here. This one is your first poem, and this poem is according to rain. Okay, this poem is about rain. Okay, so the girl is singing the poem and she is saying where the rain is falling. Okay, where the rain is falling. So you can see the rain is falling on the green grass, the rain is falling on the tree, the rain is falling on the housetop, but the girl is safe here. Okay, the girl is saying I am safe because she is using an umbrella. Okay, that's why she is safe. Okay, she is using an umbrella. That's why she is safe. It means we also take care of ourselves, and when it is raining, we also use an umbrella. Okay, then we will be safe from the rain. We won't be wet. Okay, in your next poem, Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. This poem is about a father and his son, Johnny. Okay, it is a conversation of two people, a boy and his son. Okay, because here Johnny is eating sugar. Okay, or he is eating sugar, and but he is telling a lie to his father. He is saying, I am not eating sugar, when his father is asking to him. Okay, he is saying, no, no, Papa, I am not eating sugar. Actually, he is eating sugar. He is telling a lie to his father. That is bad habit. Okay, telling lie is a bad habit. We should not tell a lie. Okay, we should not tell a lie. We always speak truth. Okay, we should always speak truth. Okay, speaking truth is a good habit. Okay, so we should speak truth. Okay, look here in the Johnny's mouth. Yes, he has sugar in his mouth. He is eating. Okay, yes. Okay, Okay, and one thing more, beta, more eating of sugar is dangerous for our health. Okay, when we eat more sugar, okay, then it will be, okay, it will be dangerous for our health. Okay, we will be ill. Okay, so avoid eating more sugar. Okay, and look here, look at here. Okay, yes, the father is saying, okay, saying, yeah, the father is saying to his son, okay, that he is eating sugar or not. The son is saying, no, Papa, I am not eating sugar, but he is eating sugar behind the journey. Look here, he has a spoon with a full sugar. Okay, so we will recite the poem one again. Okay, you have to recite with me, beta. Okay, you have to recite, sing with me. Sorry. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha. Once again. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha. Okay, okay, these are your poems, Rain and Johnny Johnny. Okay, these are your poems. Okay, students. Okay, okay, sing with me. Rain on the green grass and rain on the tree. Rain on the housetop, but not on me. Rain on the green grass and rain on the tree. Rain on the housetop, but not on me. Okay, these are your poems. Okay, the words here are rain. Okay, okay, have you ever seen the rain? Yes. Okay, nowadays uh, it is a rainy season. Okay, it may be rain today or tomorrow. Okay, so be safe. Okay, take care of yourself. Okay, use umbrella and avoid to go near the electric wires and switchboards. Okay, in grass. Okay, grass are short plants. Okay, grass are short plants, and tree. Tree has green leaves and brown stem. Okay, house top. House top means roof of the house. Umbrella. It used to protect from the rain. Okay. Look at your screen. Yes. Look here. This is your home task. Yes, this is your home task. You have to learn both poems. Okay, rain, rain, and Johnny, Johnny. Yes, Papa. These two poems you have to learn. Okay, you have to learn these two poems. Okay, okay, dear student. Okay, dear student, learn poems, rain and Johnny, Johnny. Yes, Papa. Okay, you have to learn the poems and you have to sing the poem with rhythm and action. Okay, with rhythm and action. Okay, now students. Okay, Allah Hafiz student. Goodbye and take care of yourself. Okay.